this one is a small piece of sushi with rice and some sesame inside. Sashimi plate, and there are 4 different types of fish. So this one's a unique dish because the tofu is actually made out of ginkgo and it's served with soup. This fried fish dish is the signature dish of the Mizuno Inn, and it's a fried rockfish with a sweet vinegar sauce, and it's topped with some mushrooms and also some pine nuts. So they twice fry it, so that's why everything is really crunchy. It's really crispy, so you can even eat the fins. So this is also their lobster sashimi. So for dessert, they have local Shizuoka melon.